Just like cats themselves, their butts are both interesting and confusing. While you may have never paid much attention to your cat's butt, apart from the occasional "how cute" when they move, there's much more to learn about it. So, in pursuit of better understanding your feline friend, it's worth paying attention to their butts. Without further ado, let's uncover 10 fun facts about cat butts. Number 1. Cats identify themselves by smelling each other's butts. While butt sniffing is a well-known behavior among dogs, fewer people tend to associate it with cats. But just like their canine counterparts, cats use their butts to communicate with each other. Each cat has its own unique smell that they use to identify themselves. These smells are scientifically called pheromones. Think of pheromones as a business card or badge. They basically contain important information about sexual availability, health, territorial status, and even emotions like stress and chemical marks that other cats can decipher when they sniff. Thus, cats exchange pheromones to learn more about each other. The butt, as we will discuss next, is a key location for pheromone production. So one of the easiest ways for a cat to quickly exchange information with another cat is by presenting their butt to be sniffed. This is usually considered a friendly behavior, and it's common among familiar cats to sniff each other's butts as a casual greeting. Number 2. Cat butts have scent glands. Scent plays a very important role in the daily life of cats and their understanding of the world. They use scent to navigate new environments, interact with others, and mark their territory. A cat's sense of smell is incredibly sharp, as they have over 200 million scent sensors in their noses, compared to just about 5 million in humans. As discussed earlier, cats use scent as a mode of communication. By marking their territory, they can communicate with other nearby cats, transmitting individual information about themselves by distributing their pheromones or chemical signals in the environment for other cats to sniff. Pheromones are secreted by scent glands found all over the cat's body, but they are mainly concentrated in the paws, head, and of course the butt. Therefore, it's not uncommon to see a cat rubbing its butt on furniture or even people as a way of claiming them. I bet you'll never look at your couch the same way again. While it may seem strange to us, the butt is very important in cat communication. Number 3. Cats cultivate bacteria in their butts. Interestingly, scientists have discovered that cats intentionally cultivate bacteria in their butts to produce a pheromone spray that they use to efficiently spread their scent. While cats have their own unique pheromones, many of the chemicals are created by microbes in the butt rather than by the cat's own body. Inside a cat's butt are anal sacs where the pheromone spray is produced and stored. When a cat wants to spread its scent, the pheromone spray is released through a duct in the anal sacs. This secretion looks like a small amount of fluid, and as you can imagine, it smells very bad to humans. Researchers at the University of California at Davis discovered that the bacteria inside the anal sacs contribute to the production of the secretion. They theorized that the bacteria and the anal sacs have a mutually beneficial relationship with the cat. They get a place to live, and the cat gets to outsource pheromone production. It seems that cats cultivate bacteria in their butts to help them produce the necessary chemicals for their pheromone spray. Number 4. Cats have buttocks in their butt. You probably never spent much time thinking about your cat's butt, which means you probably spend even less time thinking about the buttocks of your cat's butt. But now that you're thinking about them, you might wonder, do they really exist? The answer is yes. Cats definitely have buttocks in their butt. While they are a bit harder to distinguish because they are covered in fur, cats have the same gluteal muscles in their rear ends as humans. So, if you were wondering, now you know. Number 5. Cat butts are sensitive. Just like human butts, cat butts are sensitive. There are many nerve endings, especially sensory nerves, concentrated in the anal region, making it a particularly sensitive area in a cat's body. If they are injured or have any problem affecting the anus, it will be very painful. As a cat caregiver, it is important to notice if something is wrong with your cat's butt. In many cases, an infection or injury in the anus will be very painful and require veterinary care. Also, because the butt is sensitive, it is important to keep it clean to reduce the chance of infection. Cats are meticulous in their grooming and prioritize cleanliness, giving extra attention to the butt. However, older cats, long-haired cats, or overweight cats may have difficulty cleaning their butts. In these cases, you should pay extra attention to notice any symptoms of discomfort or lack of cleanliness. If you notice that your cat's butt is not being well cared for, or if they are exhibiting symptoms of discomfort, visit your veterinarian for guidance. Number 6. A cat's butt can indicate parasitic infections. Parasitic infections are not uncommon among cats, and it is important to be able to recognize them. Worms are the most common parasites to infect cats, ranging from roundworms to tapeworms. There are many different ways for a parasite to enter a cat's body, but it is usually through a previous host. Parasites infect smaller animals, like rodents. When a cat eats an infected rodent, the parasite enters the cat's body. Parasites are harmful to a cat's health, sucking valuable resources and making the cat weaker and more vulnerable to other infections. Cats infected with parasites are likely to show gastrointestinal symptoms, where the butt comes into play. If you suspect your cat has parasites, pay attention to their butt and their feces. They may have diarrhea, or their feces may be bloody or mucus. You may even see the worms in your cat's feces or around the anus. If you find a worm, or if your cat is exhibiting other symptoms, visit your veterinarian immediately for deworming treatment. Number 7. You can learn about your cat's health through their butt. As the previous 2 facts indicated, a cat's butt can be very useful in learning about your cat's health. Since the butt is particularly sensitive, you will likely be able to notice signs of pain or discomfort. A health problem related to the butt that is not uncommon among cats is the blockage of the anal glands. While the glands should empty naturally when a cat defecates, occasionally they become blocked. This means they cannot secrete the pheromone fluids they produce. If a gland becomes blocked, it will become larger and possibly infected, causing discomfort to the cat. You may notice the cat dragging its butt on the ground or licking excessively. There are other health conditions that can affect a cat's butt, including general infections, digestive problems resulting in constipation, diarrhea, or injuries. If you suspect your cat is in pain, visit the veterinarian. Whether it's a blocked anal gland or a piece of feces stuck in the fur around the anus, your veterinarian can outline the steps to resolve the issue. Before continuing, if you are enjoying the video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and like the video so whenever I post a new video you will know. Number 8. Cats wiggle their butts. For a reason. One of the cutest behaviors of cats is the butt wiggle. While it seems innocent, the behavior actually harkens back to the cat's predatory roots and is a behavior also seen in their big relatives, like tigers and lions. Cats often wiggle their butts when preparing to pounce, whether it's on prey or a toy. It is believed that this behavior helps cats adjust their balance and ensure they are stable and ready for the pounce. Researchers suggest that this behavior increases traction, preparing muscles, balance, and vision for an attack. Precision is very important during a pounce, so cats may wiggle their butts to make a quick stability check and prepare their muscles for quick and precise movements. This behavior is considered primarily instinctive, as it is observed in young kittens learning to crouch and pounce. Number 9. There is a reason your cat puts its butt in your face. If you are a cat caregiver, you have probably been greeted with your cat's butt in your face more than once. This behavior can be puzzling, as it does not seem to have any apparent purpose. However, there is a reason your cat puts its butt in your face for no apparent reason. There are a few reasons, but most of the time a cat will put its butt in your face simply to say hello. This is an affectionate behavior that conveys trust and friendship. In many ways, cats treat humans like larger cats. So many of their behaviors may seem strange to us, but are actually just basic cat-to-cat communication. As discussed, the butt plays an important role in cat communication. They sniff each other's butts as a greeting and a way to exchange information. Therefore, when your cat puts its butt in your face, they are often being friendly. They may also be seeking attention or inviting you to pet them. Either way, a butt in the face is a flattering gesture, even if it doesn't seem like it. Number 10. Kitten butts need to be stimulated. Since the most notable thing butts do is poop, we couldn't leave out a fact related to the topic. You may be surprised to learn that newborn kittens cannot pee or poop on their own until they are 3 or 4 weeks old. Until then, the mother helps them urinate and defecate by stimulating them with her tongue. In fact, if the kittens are orphaned, human caregivers need to assume the mother's role in these duties. But don't worry without the use of the tongue. Instead, the caregiver uses a soft tissue to rub the appropriate regions of the kitten in circular motions. If the kitten needs to urinate, the genital region is rubbed. If they need to defecate, the anal region is rubbed. This stimulation is done until the kitten urinates or defecates. Now that you are an expert in cat butts, how about learning why your cat sleeps with you every night? In this video here on the screen, I discuss 9 surprising reasons why your cat sleeps with you every night. Interested? Then click on the screen and continue with me in the amazing world of cats.